Alannah, here. Come here. Alannah. Here. Hold it like this. And they'll come to you. See? Oh, crapola. Hold your arm straight out.
There we go. Okay, now hold your arm, all right? Okay. Good? You're good.
Rinse it in the water. Oh my God. Alannah, put your arm up more. Oh my goodness.
How we get them off?
I don't know. Hold your arm up, Alannah. It's coming. Oh my God. Oh, there. Don't put your arm straight. Put your arm straight. Show him your apple. There you go. Put your arm straight out. Move it up. There you go. Straight out. There you go. Hold on to the apple. Don't let go of it. Alannah, hold on to your apple. Put your arm out more to the side of you. Move the arm back. Yeah, there you go. Alannah, look at Mom. What are you feeding?
I'm trying to wait for one to climb on her.
You did. Here, take one. Up. Show him the apple. Wiggle the apple a little bit.
Yeah, wiggle the apple.
He's biting. Alannah, he's eating your apple. Hold on to it. Lewis, the black bucket there. Put your apple. Alannah, hold on to the apple.
I don't know, baby. Maybe.
Is it washed off, Louie? Louie, you gotta pick it up.
Be careful, okay? Just watch them bite you, okay? Here, you want them to go on your arm? You don't want them on your arm? No, don't touch them. You can't put them on your arm? They'll bite you.
Alannah.
Yeah, just watch your finger, okay?
Oh, Louie, do you see what's on Mommy's head?
They're gonna jump. Okay. Hold on, Mommy's gonna walk.
Alannah, he's gonna take.
Just watch your finger.
Are you done, Lou? He's still eating your apple?